Hello everyone. Today let us understand what is prime factorization. So prime factorization is a way of expressing a given number as product of its prime factors. So what do we do over here? We find prime factors of a particular number and then we multiply them to show prime factorization. This is how we express the given number. The catch over here is prime factors. We just do not write say 2 or 3. If it is a prime factor of your number, we write down it as a product in of number of times it appears. I will explain this further through examples. Now, first of all, we should know prime factorization can be done by two ways. One is by factor tree method and the other is the ladder method, or we can also call it as the division method. Now let us understand the first thing. Let us understand how to do prime factorization using the factor tree method. Let us take an example of say number 36. What do we do over here? We find prime factors using factor tree method. So let us take number say 2. 2 is the smallest prime factor which divides, basically number 2 is the smallest number which divides 36. Now 2 times 18 gives 36. Here 2 is a prime number, so let us circle it. Further, 18 can be divided into 2 times 9. 2 is again a prime number. So let us circle it. Now 9 can be divided into 3 times 3. We know 3 is a prime number, but 3 is appearing 2 times. So we'll circle them twice. Now prime factors over here are only 2 and 3. But for prime factorization, what do we do? Is that we write down number 36. We express it as product of all the prime factors. So this becomes 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. We are expressing it in terms of the number of times 2 appears and number of times 3 appears. So this is prime factorization using factor tree method. Let us take one more example. Say 48. If I take 48, what do? We get 2 times 24 as the first factor tree. Now 2, let's circle, it's a prime number. Now 24 can further be divided as 2 times 12. 2 is again a prime number, so let's circle it. Now 16, for 12, what we can do is 2 times 6. 2 is a prime number, let's circle it. 6 can further be divided as 2 times 3. So let's look over here that 2 is appearing 4 times. 3 is a prime number. Let's circle it. So 48 can be expressed as the prime factorization can be done as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 is appearing 4 times 3. So this is the prime factorization of number 48 using factor tree. I hope this is clear. Now in the next video, we will discuss prime factorization using the ladder method. Thank you.